The new BlackBerry Z10 hit stores today, which is a big test to see if BlackBerry can, in fact, reinvent itself. The Z10 launch means a few firsts for BlackBerry. This is the first major phone launch since RIM rebranded itself as BlackBerry. It's also the first flagship BlackBerry phone with no keyboard and absolutely no buttons. And it's the first flagship BlackBerry phone to run on the all-new gesture-based BlackBerry 10 or BB10 operating system. Now let's take a look at the specs. The Z10 boasts a 4.2-inch display, 16 gigabytes of internal memory, an 8-megapixel rear-facing camera with 1080p recording. The company hopes the Z10 will revamp their image and make them a competitor with top dogs like Samsung and Apple, but the question is, how do these phones compare? The iPhone 5 and the Z10 have similar price points at $199, but the Z10 is longer and wider and just a little bit thicker, but not nearly as thick as Samsung's Galaxy Note 2. The iPhone 5 and the Z10 run on high-speed LTE networks and have similar processing speeds, but the removable battery in the Z10 allows up to 10 hours of talk time versus the iPhone 5's 8 hours of talk time. BlackBerry's CEO even said he thinks Apple's iPhone is outdated, but we think that's probably because BlackBerry's been losing ground to Apple since they released the iPhone back in 2007. Now, when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy S4, its Exynos 5 processor is a true beast. So we can't tell yet if Z10's dual-core CPU processor can compete, but it should be a pretty close race. The S4 also has a slightly larger screen at 5 inches and a 1080p HD AMOLED display, which tops the Z10's 720p display. The S4 is powered by Android's 4.2.2 Jelly Bean, but we don't know yet if that's going to be the new Z10's BB10 operating system. The Z10 will be available with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, but not with Sprint Nextel.